I'm Brian Burr. I'm president of Sumiden Wire Products Corporation. We have two facilities, one in Dixon, Tennessee, one in Stockton, California. We have about 120 employees over the two locations, and we produce two main products, PC strand, which is used for construction applications for bridges, parking garages, and pre-stressing concrete applications. We also produce stainless steel wire, which is a significant amount of it is used in spring wires for different applications for springs, a lot of automotive, aerospace, military applications. In addition to that, we have some subsets of stainless steel wire that we produce. One of those is medical wire, so for catheter guide wires, surgical staples, and a variety of different products in those applications. Some of that product we do export overseas, and we ship some over to Europe. That's a growing piece of our business, and we expect it to continue. We do produce some other specialty applications that are shipped into Mexico for fabrication and ultimately come back to the U.S. On the stainless steel wire, one of the products that we've recently developed is a nickel-plated carbon wire, and that's used as a replacement or substitute for stainless steel wire for applications where you need corrosion prevention, but customers don't want to pay for the cost of stainless steel wire. So we've developed a process to nickel plate carbon wire, which makes it anti-corrosive. And as a result, we've seen that product line begin to take off, and it's for a variety of applications. Sumiden Wire Products was originated in 1979 in Stockton, California. We are a subsidiary of Sumitomo Electric Industries, the special steel wire division of Sumitomo Electric. Originally, that was created in the 70s and produced both stainless steel, nickel-plated stainless steel, and PC strand. And in the U.S. in the late 70s, there was an anti-dumping case on PC strand, which created our first facility in North America in Stockton, California, which produced PC strand for the North American market. Since that time, we doubled the capacity in that facility up till about 1989, 1990. And we invested in the Tennessee location and started our stainless steel wire operation. And since that time, we have probably increased the capacity of that facility about 6 different times. In 1997, we invested in an additional PC strand facility in Dixon, Tennessee. The value of Sumiden Wire Products to customers is that we value long-term relationships. It is sort of the history of Sumitomo Electric to value long-term relationships. We've extended that from Japan into the United States. So we work very closely with customers to develop products and to share information that most vendors would not share with customers, and most customers would not share with vendors. We develop those type of relationships so that we both share together in the future of the business. I think the value of participation in the AWPA is really about the connections that you can make in this organization and in the industry. I don't think you can get these type of connections where you can pick up the phone and call somebody in the industry and have that type of relationship where you feel comfortable doing that if you're not participating in this organization. Over time, over 1 year, over 5 years, over 10 years, you develop a lot of connections and deep relationships that there's no way you can have that level of comfort in communication when you're not participating in an organization like this. So I think as an outside participant coming in, I think that's one of the biggest values you can extract from this organization. I also think that there's a lot of political connection that's valuable in this organization as well. The ability to connect to the correct attorneys, the trade information, and the connections to Capitol Hill when you do need that. I think on your own, it's very difficult to get that. It's very difficult to get the information that allows you to initiate cases and conversation about trade. Sumiden has been a member of the AWPA since the early 90s. I think it was around 91 or 92 that we joined the American Wire Producers Association, and we've been members since that time. And certainly there are times you question, do I value this, do I not value this? But I think over the course of the time that we've been members, we've been pretty steadfast in our belief that this organization has been valuable to us, and allows us sort of a window into the industry to see what's happening and gather information.